up, everyone? This is Elijah coming at you with another video from the app Lifestyle, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hands. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the app Uber Eats, Uber driver app. And we're going to be covering how to cancel an Uber Eats delivery or how to cancel an order on Uber Eats. Now, when it comes to this subject, this channel has really dived into the expert, just advanced stuff of Uber Eats. But maybe more things I should make videos on is the fundamentals, because this situation doesn't come up often, but well, hopefully it doesn't. But if it does, you need to know how to deal with it. How many times has, for whatever reason, you can't get in contact with the customer and you don't know what to do next, and you just don't know what to do from there? Do you cancel the delivery right there? Do you just press delivered? And what do you do? So the official answer is you always want to try and call the customer to get in contact with them to see what the issue is. Now, if they're not answering, or whatever the situation is, you want to make sure you're very close to the drop-off point. Like on the map, it has a red dot. Okay, you want to make sure you're very close to that. What that's going to do is it's going to trigger the button you're seeing on the screen asking, did you contact such and such? You press that you didn't, and that starts the 8-minute countdown. When that happens, 8 minutes from when you start the countdown, you'll be able to cancel the order and still get paid. Okay, so that's how you handle it. But some of y'all have told me, and I've encountered this too, let's say if you can't get that close to the red dot to trigger that button appearing, there actually is another way you can cancel and still get paid. And I've verified this with support. So as soon as you get within like a quarter-mile radius, that actually marks as arriving or arrived. And even on the customer end, it's going to let them know, hey, your driver's almost here, be expecting them. When that happens, that is actually a countdown inside the Uber app itself. So you can actually start counting down from that moment when you actually arrive, regardless if you press the button. 8 minutes from when that happens, 5 to 8 minutes, but just be on the safe side, 8 minutes. You can cancel the trip by, you go to the bottom, you click the the red button, basically saying to cancel. Now, you still want to contact the customer, all that good stuff, but you want to click report an issue. Then you click unable to find recipient, and then the order will cancel, and you will still be paid because you still waited the 8 minutes. So this works even if you don't press the button, because for whatever reason, sometimes you just can't get close enough to press the button sometimes. That's the problem on Uber's app, but at the same time, since we can do this, it is what it is. But not too many people know about this. So that covers how to cancel a delivery on Uber Eats or how to cancel an order. If you have any questions, leave them below, or any stories. You may be asking, what do you do with the food? I mean, and the official story is to dispose of it, but there's multiple ways of disposing it, if you catch my drift. But if you have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to check out the app Lifestyle. Check out the Uber Eats course and advanced course if you have not. Like the video, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.